Hey guys, how's it going? So today's video is going to be a little different. If you didn't see the last video I posted, I will link that. Go check that out. It kind of explains what's going on and why I disappeared for 3 months. But the gist of it is I'm pregnant. So anyway, if you want more information, like I said, go check out that video. But we are back to the video making, the detailing, all that jazz. And I am going to make a little series about detailing this RV. This thing is gigantic, so I'm super excited to get started. It's not that bad. My dad currently owns this and he's trying to get it ready to sell. So we're just doing some like basic cleaning, renovating, just some really small stuff. So today we are actually going to be replacing some flooring. So that is my big project for the day. If you have any concerns about my pregnancy and doing this kind of work, it's fine. I'm going to go slow. I'm going to take lots of breaks and masks and gloves, all the appropriate safety measures and things like that. So don't fret, I am being careful, I promise. Anyway, let me go ahead and give you a little tour of the RV and show you what we're going to be working on today. Okay, so currently my GoPro batteries are totally dead, so I'm charging those right now, so I don't have a really clear view of everything, but here is where you enter the door. So right when you come in, back up, you walk, and there's a toilet in the middle of the floor. Here's the kitchen. All that jazz, and then you walk up into the dining room, living room area. And my dad actually already replaced the carpet in here. This whole section here, this little raised area, it pushes out for more space. But yeah, he replaced the carpet. So the living room's pretty much empty right now. He took out all the extra stuff. Got a new little TV for it. We still have to get rid of the old school TVs. But yeah, there's the living room. And then if you start in the living room side, you can see it from this side. And this is what we're going to be working on today. My dad asked me if I could replace this flooring because it's kind of squishy. Like if you walk on it right here, it's very squishy. And so he wants to put some like more solid flooring in here. And not to mention, it is straight up peeling right there. So it's not that big of a space. It goes into the bathroom area. I think this will be the most complicated area to do as far as cuts go. But that is my mission for the day, is this flooring. But yep, here's the bedroom. Got the little vanity area, shower, and bedroom. And this whole section pushes out too for more space. Hello. Yeah. So there's your tour. I'll probably get some better footage with the GoPro once that's charged because this just does not do the wide angle thing very well. So, anywho, that is what we have going on today. So, step one is flooring removal. So, I'm going to go get some tools and we will get to work. Okay, we've got to get this GoPro back out here. This is not a stable location. Okay, so I've got some scraping tools, a little crowbar guy, but we're just going to start with like the peeling edge of this floor and see where we can get. We are going to put new baseboards on the walls to, cover up the edges of the boards that we're putting down. So we're just going to like do the best we can to cut this linoleum crap out and see what happens. So let's get to it.
Any ideas?
Alrighty guys, so I just took a little break, took a lunch break after I pulled all of the flooring out, and now we are going to move on to making a what's the word I'm looking for? We are going to make a I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna lay out a bunch of cardboard on the ground and like cut it to shape. So I just take that piece of cardboard over to the wood and I'll just show you. I'm gonna make like a little, oh my God, what's the word? It's killing me. Okay, I'm gonna lay the cardboard down on the floor. I'm gonna cut it so it perfectly fits where I want the flooring to go. And then I'm going to use that as my guide and my map to cut the slits or cut the slats of wood. So let me just show you the floor. Okay, so here's what I've accomplished. I got this all pulled out. The bathroom is all pulled out too, except this thing. My dad showed me this morning when he took the toilet off and said it was broken, and then I had to take it off, but it's like legit attached. Oh, sorry, I bent you over. It's like legit attached, like when I move it, it's like the whole thing. So like, I don't know how to get that off. So we're gonna have to consult him on that, but I can still make the whole map for the floor and just not cut those holes yet. So, okay, let's cut the cardboard. Oh, and then also have to wait for my dad to do this because obviously I can't get this out myself. Honestly, I don't even think we're going to be getting this out because it's wider than the door frame. So that's super fun. I guess depending on what my dad wants to do, we could take this like whole thing out, but I don't know. They clearly built the thing in there. They put it in and then built it closed. So I just kind of cut it off there and we will deal with that after. So I'll probably only do like map the floor from like there across and out and then just leave this back section for afterwards. Alrighty guys, my GoPro has life. Okay, so have my little cardboard. Now I'm just gonna set you guys up so you can watch me snip snip and get this to the proper shape. Alrighty guys, so here's where things stand. I did the front half of the area. My dad came back and we got the washing machine out of that little room, got the floor all pulled up, but this is just the front half, like where you walk up the stairs, and then this is like the bathroom area. So we just have the front half cut out. So what I'm thinking, have some of the flooring laid so I can start tracing, but I think I'm gonna do these first 3 pieces and then go try and fit them in there to make sure that my little map thing is proper. So I'm gonna set you up and then we'll start working on that. Okay guys, I think I have a little bit of energy left in the day. So let me just show you what I've done so far. It's mostly my back that's hurting. So I think it's because I just keep like bending over to work with the flooring. So okay, let's just show you what we got. Okay, so I have the first 3 pieces in. Pretty tight seam over here, not bad. Cut that hole out, pretty good on that angle. The only thing, we're coming around the corner there. I wonder if I should do that straight piece next. Probably. Then I've got this, and that's the only cut I'm worried about, but I'll have to ask my dad if he wants me to redo that. So anyway, that's the progress. So I think I'm gonna pull that 3rd piece out to do the rest of the bathroom area, and then just probably do, I don't know, try and do 3 more pieces. We'll see. That's the goal. Guys, it is day 2 of the flooring replacement project. I just finished mapping out my floor, so let me show you that. And here is the official floor plan. It is completely filled out now, the whole area that's getting refloored. I just had to do this back half area today. So now I just got to set up all my floorboards and finish all the cuts. Alrighty guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed that floor transformation. Super sorry I did not include the part where I installed the floor. It was super frustrating and I about lost my mind, and I had to have my dad come help me get the pieces to fit together. So anyway, all said and done, it worked out great. I think it turned out great. Next time for part 2, we are going to start actually detailing the RV. So I'm super excited to share that with you, and there's a little drama involved in that. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.